so to speak, tongue-in-cheek. They're all sucker-punching me, get in line for a wedgie. All I want and all I need is someone who believes in me. A song for underdogs, for the left out, a flag flying for losers, somewhere in the heavens. The God of everlasting comfort believed in me, loved me when I was faithless. He still died for me. Junior high schooler with pencils in my pockets and my trapper keep 'em busted. Spilling papers and books on the floor. Not wanting 7th grade anymore. Another class clown, acting like a goof to be accepted by my peers.